Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Juke key fob battery. First, confirm you have the correct key fob style. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin battery. Having these items ready will make the process quick and easy. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and get your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot, usually on the side where the physical key might be. Carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the casing or internal components. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and functionality. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This indicates that the fob is securely closed. Finally, test your key fob with your Nissan Juke to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.